Let us think of the science of food. You must know any kind of seed, mature grain, mature fruits, all things you will find in that. All protein, carbohydrate, mineral, fat, vitamins, calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, everything you will get. In some fruits you will have more and some in less. All kind of grains, seeds, what we have, they are rich in everything. Let us have this example. This is called the matar, peas. And this is called the chickpeas. The chickpeas and peas. Let us take this or take corn, anything. In this you will find protein, carbohydrate, minerals, vitamin, everything you will find. Then everything find in one, then why to eat many? Because our aim is to feel presence of God. Who is God? God is one, formless, omnipresent, but He is having power how to manifest many. Then God had manifested in the form of taste bud. How many variety of taste we can experience? Try to appreciate all kind of taste, sweet, sour, astringent, bitter, and very hot like pepper, and salty, pungent. Try to appreciate all kind of taste. Why? Because perception of taste is experiencing presence of God. But you must have longing for God all the time. Therefore, in the process of eating, when you start experiencing now, taste is declining. But generally our nature is to eat up to the full satisfaction. Now I don't like it, I am satisfied. When further you eat, you will not feel taste. That is called unnatural lifestyle. What is the natural? Constant, having desire to remember God, to feel oneness with God. Moment you feel the taste in the food, in the process of eating, one experience various tastes, have full awareness. During eating, intensity of taste is declining. Never try to reduce the taste perception to very low limit. It should remain little active form, so that you should remember taste. You should have further desire to eat. If you have to eat, you can eat, but do not eat. Try to stop eating when taste is very low. When taste is reduced, you feel now very low intensity of taste, then stop food intake. And have this concept, perception of taste is presence of God. What is mean presence of God? Presence of God means presence of vitality, immunity, power, knowledge, peace, joy. When you are eating, try to follow this principle. In the process of eating, when you are enjoying the taste very good, after a certain time you will find out taste is decreasing. Have awareness. Do not finish the perception of taste. Stop eating after some time. You will enjoy good peace, good power, good strength. This is the very important point when you are consuming the food. Therefore, we need variety of grains, variety of seeds, variety of fruits. When you have variety of fruits, grains and seeds, then you have to experience taste of all and appreciate all taste with the greatest devotion. Then you are feeling presence of God. What is the feeling presence of God? What does it mean? You are feeling immunity, vitality, peace, joy, a very great confidence. Fear is reducing. This is the one important thing in the science of food. Therefore, when you are cooking the food, try to cook the complete seed. Do not remove the husk. In the husk, there is a lot of protecting power. This is the chickpeas. In that you see when you break it, you will find two cotyledons. When you break it, you will find two cotyledons. In this also you will find two. Therefore, two are together because of this external covering. External covering is having protecting power. And we need to protect our bones and skin and muscles, the whole thing. You cannot exclude these coverings. You can cook properly so that we can chew it and eat it. There are some kind of skin, some kind of protecting layers, but they are very minimum amount. If you want, you can remove it. If you do not want, do not remove it, no problem. But there is some protecting layer which you do not like at all. Try to think about it, do research on it. For example, almonds. Almonds skin is having tannin. What is the tannin? Tannin is substance which increases numbness, a kind of mild anesthesia, which gives strength to the mucosa. If tannin is more, you will find a hardening of the stomach mucosa. Little bit strength of mucosa, we need it. In the almond you are taking 5, 6, 10, how much skin will go? Very little. That tannin is going to increase the strength of mucosa. It is not going to harm. Who told tannin is bad, caffeine is bad? In coffee beans we are having caffeine natural. That is called giving natural anesthetic effect, natural painkiller. Because when we are working, if some muscles are having laziness, they do not work. You are trying to accelerate their work. If they do not like to work, if they get pain. When we are taking coffee, a coffee beans, that is called simple, a substance which removes unnatural pain. And who said caffeine is bad? Unnatural, synthetic caffeine is bad. What is caffeine exists in the complete seed, like coffee beans or anywhere else. That is important for our health. This is today, this much only I want to tell.